How to translate real-world sales into digital sales. A lot of people get overwhelmed with the idea of like selling products. They get overwhelmed with like how do they sell their product or service online to somebody. And they could be very good at selling in person to people, right? Or they could at least understand the basics of selling to people in real life. So when you sell to people in real life, you're doing all these things like reading social cues and voice inflection, and you're adjusting, you're seeing things and feeling things, human to human, person to person, that you don't have the opportunity to do online. Right? So if you just realize that the journey that you're taking them on online is you anticipating what they're going to be feeling and thinking digitally, right? So you want to take them on a journey that helps them overcome those objections. Anticipate where they're going to be feeling afraid, where they're going to be feeling insecure, where they may not be believing you. And there's all sorts of items that you can put on a sales page and on an order form or an opt-in page that help them to feel more comfortable with doing business with you. Help them feel more comfortable with giving you their customer data, right? Because that's a very hard thing for somebody to do with a brand online that they've never seen before. So a great way to accomplish that is to think about the different components that you have to play with on the page or pages that will help overcome the objections that they're going to have, right? We'll talk about a couple of them really quick. For example, an FAQ section on a sales page. An FAQ section is your chance to identify objections that you think your customer is going to have and overcome them, right? So one would be, when am I going to get my product, right? Are they going to ship it to me 5 days, 6 days? Is it digital? Do I get it immediately? They're going to think things like, is this guy for real? Or is this program for real? That would be a testimonial section. So those are two really important areas of real estate on a sales page that can really help you overcome your customers' objections. That's your opportunity to be that digital salesperson and walk them through being comfortable with doing business with you. So if you guys want 7 proven growth hacks that we consistently use to scale 7- and 8-figure offers online right now, click on the link and we'll get it to you in your email.